but I pretty much just got it, so I got it running.
What year is it?
86.
1986 Honda. What is it?
It's 86 Honda Shadow with a 97 motor.
86 Honda Shadow frame, 96 motor on Xworks. Let me hear it. Right now on Yamamoto. Chopper, baby, chopper! Chopper, baby, chopper! All right, let's go for a ride. Nice, bro. I like the paint job. All right, so what's the plans? What are you finishing on it?
I mean, it's not done yet. I just got it running.
Nice.
I just got it together.
Beautiful. What a stylish bike. Let's go for a ride on Yamamoto.